Hello everyone, most welcome back to watch my channel. Thank you for always clicking on my channel, and if you are new on this channel, you are most welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by our channel. Once again, my name is Mau, and if you're new on this channel, kindly consider to subscribe. Why not subscribe to this channel? Smash the notification bell so as you always get alert about our latest videos. So guys, in today's video I need to show you how to restore an old battery. How to restore an old battery. Kindly watch this video up to the end, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friend. Before you have to check if the acid is still inside, but our battery is really empty. We need to also do with another way of testing using a hydrometer. That battery is really empty, so we need to refill it with our distilled acid. Opening our distilled acid bottle very well and carefully, because the acid, it's dangerous to bare skin, so handle it with care. This video is for the professionals only. If not professional, don't attempt with it, family. Well, the acid is good. The acid is good, and it's better for refilling our battery.